Imagine Residual is a psychological horror VR experience where the player awakens in a locked hospital with no memory and must escape through branching choices. As players explore different paths, reality begins to loop, and different truths slowly emerges, revealing that they are not escaping an experiment, they are an emotional clone being observed. Unlike passive media, Residual uses immersive interaction and embodied participation to transform the audience into active participants. In Residual, the audience became the central character through first-person POV design. Using immersive spatial environments, players experience the asylum directly through exploration and decision-making. Engagement is driven through escape room-style interaction, where choices lead to different narrative paths. Environmental sound, limited visibility, and confined spaces create psychological tension while guiding attention. Interaction happens both physically and mentally. Players interpret clues, question reality, and construct meaning through exploration, turning the experience into something they actively live through rather than passively watch. To inform our designs, we analyzed 2 interactive media case studies and 1 narrative inspiration, Observer, influenced our use of fragmented environments and environmental storytelling to gradually reveal identity. Half-Life Alyx demonstrated how embodied interaction enhances immersion, inspiring us to make choices spatial and physical rather than menu-based. Finally, Going 17 episode Ego inspired the narrative idea of confronting alternate selves, shaping our concept of emotional clones and identity duality. Together, these references guided how immersion, presence, and interactivity drive psychological storytelling. Our design is grounded in key immersive media concepts. Immersion trust uses fully into the environment, while presence is achieved through first-person perspective, making players feel physically situated inside the story. By positioning the audience as the main character, interactivity and the choice create responsibility for outcomes. We choose immersive interactive media instead of traditional linear films because participation and agency fundamentally changes emotional engagement and narrative perception. To test our ideas, we developed a prototype using ArcWave. This demo allowed us to experiment while branching narrative structures, visual guidance, and player decision-making. We introduced multiple paths, looping outcomes, and an internal guiding voice to establish narrative uncertainty. Through testing, we learned that clear visual cues and structured interaction are essential for maintaining immersion while preserving mystery. The prototype also revealed how users' choice significantly influences emotional engagement. Designing Residual highlighted how immersive POV transforms audience into active participants, strengthening emotional investment and psychological tension. Branching structures reinforce meaningful choice, while environmental storytelling allow themes of identity and duality to emerge organically. Moving forward, we will expand and refine the storyline, branching narrative paths to deepen the player agency and narrative consequences. We will also plan to refine character interaction, particularly the nurse and the guiding voice, to enhance tension. Additionally, we will identify and secure suitable filming locations to record immersive scenes across multiple scenarios, while continuing to test VR interaction mechanics to strengthen immersion and presence. Our team collaborated through shared decision-making and iterative testing, dividing responsibility across narrative design, research, visual development, and prototyping.